Hey guys, it's Alice again. So today I'm joined by Anchal and I've teamed up with Benadryl to get some tips on how to deal with allergy face.
Yes.
So we're going to get straight into it. What do we do? What's first?
Right, let's start with skincare. We just want to apply a little bit of moisturiser on our face to soothe our skin. Anything that is hydrating and cooling as such is going to help reduce the puffiness because it's kind of just going to bring it down.
It feels really refreshing as well.
It does. So we've just applied our base makeup, but right underneath it, where there's any redness from any kind of sore noses or anything like that, we've popped on a green corrector. This is just going to counteract the red and make it look less sore. So now the next step, what we're going to do is we want to contour and highlight, but we're going to go in with powder because it's just going to stay put on our faces a bit better than using a cream product. So where we want to apply this is in the hollows of our cheeks, and just add a bit of shape and definition because it's easily lost when we have allergy face and it's all a little bit puffy.
I definitely feel like that's made such a difference. I've got an actual shape to my face now, which is great.
Yes.
So I take it the next step's highlight.
The next step is highlight.
The
yes.
best part.
Yeah, I know, right?
So where's the best place to put it?
So the best place to put it is onto the top of your cheekbones. So right here, you just want to work that highlight. And it can be like quite distracting. If you've got some pretty highlight on,
that's what everyone's going to be looking at,
exactly,
rather than the red eyes. I feel like it's made a great difference.
Definitely, but we need to just add a little bit more on the cheeks now. Let's put a pop of blusher just on the apples of the cheeks to kind of tie it all in together and to give you a nice natural looking flush.
It adds like a healthy glow.
Yes, exactly. We'd rather have the healthy glow. If your eyes are feeling irritated and you don't want to do that much, this is a great tip and trick, and it's super easy and quick to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop a little bit of a kohl or pencil eyeliner just along our top waterline, and then we're going to smudge it out. That way, if your eyes get watery throughout the day or you rub a little bit, your eyeliner is already nice and smoky and smudgy, so you're all good. And it's just quick when you know you don't want to do too much and faff around with irritated eyes in the morning. So how did you find that?
It was so easy. I don't know why I've not done it before.
Let's amp it up a little bit more now.
Okay.
And we're going to add some mascara because everyone needs some mascara, but it is so important to wear a water resistant mascara because obviously we don't want our mascara running when our eyes run.
That has made me look wider-eyed, more awake, like natural, nothing too heavy.
Exactly. You just want to look like you're feeling fresh.
Yes.
Rather than
even if you're not feeling it, you can pretend.
Yeah, exactly. That's why we've got makeup.
Yeah.
We are now going to move on to the lips, and my little tip for the lips on an allergy day is go for something matte, just because if you've got anything with too much slip, sheen, shine, gloss, your hair might get stuck to it, it's going to move around, you're rubbing tissues around your nose.
Yeah.
So a matte lipstick, any colour of your choice, get it on and it's going to stay put. Lipstick's on, and I've got a final little tip. You want a nice facial spritz. Again, if you're feeling a little bit sore, a little bit hot, a little bit puffy, just go in with a nice hyaluronic acid facial spritz. How lovely is that? Right, so that's it. How do you feel about the finished look?
I am so impressed. I've actually learned so much more than I thought I would.
Oh my god, amazing.
Yeah, I feel really fresh and I don't feel sore or puffy or anything like that. I feel like I could rock it. I could rock the allergy face.
Yes, and you can like take on the day and just keep going. You look amazing, by the way.
Thank you. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it useful too. Let me know down in the comments if you've got any extra tips for us. We will definitely take them on board. It's been a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
It's alright. I'll leave her links down below and you make sure to go and check her out. So thanks so much for watching. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.